Pengyun Zhenghao Machinery Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer and exporter of machine tools, accessories, and devices. It is a professional enterprise that integrates sales, design, production, and after-sales service. Our factory is located in Pengyun, one of the largest production base of machine tools, accessories in China. Have a committed team of factory management, technical and product development team, production workers, exporting teams, professional logistic specialist, and after-sales service team. Our company have advanced technology and manufacturing equipment, including auto CNC machines, machine centers, milling machine, grinding machine, and product inspection machines. Together with our production lines, we have strict quality control process for all production progress to supply high-quality products. Our main products are precision modular vices, precision tool vices, machine vices, elastic collets, collet chucks, milling tool holders, NC tool holders, tapping and drill chucks, live center, boring heads, quick change tool post sets, carbide end mills, and other machine tools tooling systems. Our products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the world through Alibaba and offline work. We have good reputation in markets including USA, Canada, UK, European countries, Australia, Brazil, South Africa, Korea, many other countries and places. As leading manufacturer, always adhering to principle of quality first, service first. We, Pengyun Zhenghao Machinery, sincerely welcome you to contact us and visit our factory for cooperation.